Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your bank account with OnePay app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got started using with OnePay and you want to go ahead and connect your bank account. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the OnePay app. Next, you're going to click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner. Then click on Account. Next, click on Linked Accounts, and then click on Link Bank Account. Now it's going to redirect you to Plaid. And so what Plaid is that it's a secure way to keep your data safe and connect financial institutions. Click on Get Started, then click on Continue as Guest. And then from here, find your bank, and it's going to prompt you to actually log into your bank so that you can connect it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your bank account with the OnePay app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.